samit na din, di?
Wala samit,
Turut yan, baka na na.
Ayaw niya pa bumaba.
Ayun na ba? Natatakot na ako.
Mahangin eh. Mahangin sa taas eh.
Ingat ka!
Ayun na.
Meron mo dato?
Oh my God, wala siyang hawakan.
Pabaliktad, kaya mo?
Oh my God! Oh!
Kita mo?
Opo.
Hi, auntie!
Mamamatyan, hindi rin ninyo. Baka bansa.
Ganyan ang pangarap na pagdad na.
Lagyan mo ng chlorine nga.
Oo, chlorine yun. Hindi pwede,
Jaren!
Hindi, para. Hindi, lagyan mo chlorine para pag sinura mo hindi red.
Nga. Maupis ang kadila ko na.
Hello, Rochelle, what's that?
We call this labig. I'll teach you how to open the labig.
Go.
You eat this, I know. You open your mouth. You put the labig into the teeth, into the teeth, in the crowning glory of the teeth, the crown one. And then you bite. Not that. You bite. When you bite, when you heard the tick, you heard? Oh my God, you heard.
Sorry, walang tulog.
When you heard the tick, you open. Open.
What if we don't heard the tick?
Kill yourself. Go to the highway. If you don't heard the tick, go to the highway and wait for the tick. If you can hear the tick pa rin, you lay down and kill yourself.
I won't bite now.
Oh, you want biting pa naman.
O, game, tuloy mo na.
Biting. And then, you see this white one. This white one. Remove the color brown inside. And you eat.
That's
and
all.
you eat. Eat!
Ayaw niya.
Baby, eat. Eat.
Pwede ba sa kanya yun?
Oh.
Ayaw niya rin. I-check niya muna kung pwede. Ayaw mo, baby? Ayaw mo? Ayaw.
Appear.
Go to your, punta ka kay mama. Ayun mama mo, oh. Ayun mama, oh. Ito mama, oh. Punta ka. Shy mode.
Galing ah.
Ay, doon na naman siya sa taas, eh. Wala na.
Ano na ko?
Daw ka.